Did you know that your life insurance beneficiary does not have to use the insurance proceeds to bury you? I'm attorney Vernita Williams. I want to talk about something that happens a lot. You know, when a family member passes away, one of the first things people start doing is looking for who has the life insurance policy. Now, some families claim that there are certain people in the family who get a burial policy on everybody. Well, here's the situation. When there is a life insurance policy, that beneficiary does not have to use the money to bury the person who died. Now, it would be nice if they would do that, and it would alleviate a lot of stress on the other family members, but they don't have to use the life insurance proceeds for burial. That life insurance money is theirs. They don't have to use it. Now, you'll notice whenever a person uses a life insurance policy to bury someone, they go to the funeral home and they sign an assignment document. They assign the proceeds to the funeral home to the extent that they are needed for burial. Never mind that. People don't understand that the money belongs to the beneficiary. So a lot of folk do a hunt down, shake down. That's what I call it. When you have family members calling around, looking around, telling folk, I know you got a policy. I know you got a policy. People don't understand. I explain to my family members, if there's a policy, that money belongs to the beneficiary. So first of all, the person doesn't have to use it to bury the departed loved one. They don't. The second thing is this. A lot of times when people are upset with whoever they believe have the insurance policy, they say, well, I'm not going to give them a death certificate. Well, here's the thing. Anybody in Florida can get a death certificate on anybody. You can just contact the Vital Statistics office and request a death certificate. Now, they will give you one. It will not contain the cause of death unless you are the next of kin, but a lot of times you don't need that to file an insurance claim. So, number one, the person who is the beneficiary doesn't have to bury the deceased person. Number two, that person who has the life insurance policy can get a death certificate without going to the funeral home, without going to the next of kin who has copies of a death certificate. They can get one simply by contacting the Vital Statistics office in the state of Florida and requesting it. They'll get one. So, don't let hunt down, shake down be the method that you intend to use to bury a person that you're going to be responsible for. Because even if you find someone with a life insurance policy, they may not be willing to use it to bury your loved ones. This is Attorney Vernita Williams. If you would like additional information on things you can do to set your affairs in order, please go to my website, vcwlaw.com. That is vcwlaw.com. There you can get a checklist of 25 things you can do to set your affairs in order. You can also get 25 estate planning tips to help you avoid legal nuisances and nightmares. If you would like to call me with your comments, questions, or suggestions, please call me at 786-831-9483. That's 786-831-9483. Thank you for listening.